Beautiful sunny day today. Just finished early and I thought to myself, do a few trees. Yeah, so I think I've shown in the past how to make these trees, the woodland scenics ones. They look quite good at a pretty reasonably cheap price. So on a smaller scale, what I'm doing is I buy the armatures, woodland scenics, which look like that. These are only the small trees. It's the same thing for the big ones, or whatever size you buy. I mean, these would be alright for Z scale, HON scale, anything. And you twist the armatures to whatever shape you want, and then what I do then, I paint flat earth. In this case I'm using Tamiya XF52 flat earth, and then what I do then is I use Copydex for the brush that onto the branches. I think this is a product made, I think it's made in the UK this. I don't think it's available in a lot of countries. But it's basically latex glue. It's really good. It peels off when you don't want it. If you want to remove it, it's great. And then I dip clump foliage into a cup like this. You can have quite a lot of these cups on the go. That's the clump foliage. You can mix that and have autumn foliage. You can have a mixture. When it's dry, obviously it looks like that, but when you shake off the excess, shake all what you don't want off, you end up with a fairly decent looking tree. Obviously there's a bit more on that needs pulling off. But anyway, you can shove that in the background. Obviously there's a bit there, just needs pulling off. But you get quite a nice looking tree. For the money, and you can get like probably make over 100 trees like that, of that particular size, using this bag of clump foliage and tree armatures for about 18 quid. And I've got one I've inserted on the layout. Right there. That's a better view of it.